Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we have a nice radical equation that is square root of 4 times x plus 1 plus square root of 3 times x minus 2 that is equal to 1. So we need to find the value of x here. Now starting our solution, first of all we have to just shift this expression to our right hand side. Then we get 4 times x plus 1 whole square root that is equal to 1 minus square root of 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. Now here if we just take square root on both hand side and taking square on both hand side, so we have cancelling the square with square root, we get 4 times x plus 1 is equal to, here we are going to use a minus b whole squared, and we know that a minus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. So it will be 1 squared and plus square root of 3x minus 2 whole squared and minus 2 times 1 times square root of 3x minus 2. Now our next step will be here 4x plus 1. Here we get 1 squared is 1. This square is cancelled out with square root. We have plus 3x minus 2 and minus 2 times 1 is 2 times square root of 3x minus 2. Now shifting on these terms, so we get 4 times x, cancelling plus 1 with plus 1, we get this will be minus 3x and here it will be plus 2 is equal to minus 2 times square root of 3x minus 2. Now our next step will be 4x minus 3x is equal to x plus 2, which is equal to minus 2 times square root of 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. Now if we take square on both hand side, so we get x plus 2 whole squared is equal to minus 2 times 3x minus 2 and whole squared. Now x plus 2 whole squared can also be written as we know that a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. So here we have x squared plus 2 squared plus 2 times a is x times b is 2, which is equal to, here we have minus 2 whole squared times square root of 3x minus 2 whole squared. We just write it separately having squared. So our left hand side will be x squared plus 2 squared is 4 plus 2 times 2 is 4x, which is equal to minus 2 squared, as exponent is even, so we just write here plus 4. This square is cancelled out with square root, we get 3x minus 2. Now x squared plus, we can rearrange this, 4 times x plus 4 is equal to 4 times 3 is 12x minus 4 times 2 is 8. Now x squared plus 4x, and shifting this one we get minus 12x, this plus 4 and minus 8 will be plus 8 is equal to 0. Now here we have x squared and minus 12 minus 4 we get minus 8x plus 8 plus 4 is 12 is equal to 0. Now we have x squared minus 8 times x plus 12. So it is a nice quadratic equation. We have to solve this with respect to x, as this equation is factorable, because this minus 8 x can also be written as minus 6x and minus 2x. So when we multiply minus 6x minus 2x, we get 12x squared, and here we have plus 12, that is equal to 0. Now it is our first pair and it is our second pair. So taking x common from our first pair, we get x times x minus 6, and here we have minus 2 times x minus times plus is minus 6, which is equal to 0. Now here we have common term, that is x minus 6, and other factor is x minus 2. Here we have two factors. Now our next step will be, so x minus 6 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to, shifting minus 6 we get plus 6, so it is the value of x1. Now x is equal to minus 2 will be plus 2, so it is the value of x2. Here we have two values of x. Now we must verify this radical equation. So here for verification we have to just recall our problem, that is we have 4 times x plus 1 whole square root and plus square root of 3x minus 2, that is equal to 1. Now when we put x1 is equal to 6, here we have x1 is equal to 6, so when x1 is equal to 6, it will be 4 times 6 plus 1 whole square root plus square root of 3 times x is x1 is 6 minus 2, is it equal to 1. Now 4 times 6 is 24 plus 1 is square root of 25. Similarly here we have 6 times 3 is 18 minus 2 is square root of 16. Is it equal to 1? Now our next step is square root of 25, as we know that it is equal to 5, and square root of 16 is equal to 4. Is it equal to 1? So 5 plus 4 is 9. It is not equal to 1. So it is unvalid, that is the value of this x1 is not valid. So we have to just use now x2 is equal to 2. So when x2 is equal to 2, then 4 times x is 2 plus 1 whole square root plus square root of 3 times 2 minus 2, is it equal to 1? So we have to just find here that left hand side of this equation should be equal to right hand side. Now the value of x2 is 2, so 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is square root of 9 plus 3 times 2 is 6 minus 2 is square root of 4. Is it equal to 1? So here we get 3 and it is 2. Is it equal to 1? No, it is not equal to 1 because 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 is not equal to 1. Then here we see that this equation has no solution at all. This equation has no solution at all. So there is no solution because both values x1 and x2 are not verified here. So we are going to just check our entire solution, that is square root of 4x plus 1 plus square root of 3x minus 2 is equal to 1. Here the x has no solution. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.